bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she took the swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she took the swag too.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my release, send action. These days no kumbaya, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. In a pretty middle, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I D.I.E.
I'm finna stand tall in it, all in it. You be on my back like a god again. Baller again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you're ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game, you must be ready to hide. Hanging on the corner, big my tape till it buys. Thought I was a place to your honor, burn marijuana, deep diamond is honor, hotter than the sauna, I made her ass a lotta, call her baby Prada, she popped it for the dollar, don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help, don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. Like a god again, all again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game, you must be ready to hide. Swinging on the corner, bag my tape till it pops. I thought I was a goner, place to your honor, burn marijuana, deep diamond is honor. Hotter than the sauna, I made her ass a lotta. Call her baby Prada, she popped it for the dollar. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. Don't stick around, she say,
to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord, is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, you take me high. I teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying detonate. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort, so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato, but shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vika, or a grand perk. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby.
Let's play a little just between you and me. I'll be out. Gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Jane, Marilyn and Robert. But either way, the objective is the same: to please and entertain. Baby, my vixen, my bed will be a stain. We'll get the spotlight all night.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Sterlyhair, and today I'm reviewing this amazing 30-inch unit. Y'all know me and my inches, like I'm literally in heaven right now. Y'all already know I love me a long unit, the longer the better. And this one is so like long, but not only is it long, but it's also very full, like from the root down to the very ends. That was the initial thing that I realized about this unit, is that it is definitely on the thicker side, which I love, especially when you have straight units like this, straight long units especially, because typically like the longer the unit, it's like the thinner the wigs be sometimes, or like the thinner the bundles are. So I like the fact that this unit has some cohesiveness when it comes to the density, because that is very important to me. I really do look for that when I'm looking into buying like a straight hair unit. You guys can just see how silky and healthy this hair is all the way down to the very end. And then as you guys can also see, there is some layers here, so it's just like a shorter piece here in the front. I did not cut that at all. It's the same way on this other side. They just have like a little bit of layers in there, which I like, because it's like, it's a perfect amount of layers where it's like, it's not doing too much. It's not to where it's like, dang, I wish I had like my inches right there. Like, it'll look good, especially if you like curl it or do like wand curls or something like that. It'll look real good. But like, look how flat I got it. It looks so good. And a baby hair free look, you guys. I didn't want to add any baby hairs in this unit because I just figured like it just looks too good to just add baby hairs. Like certain units, you just don't put baby hairs in. Other units, you can go crazy, just baby hair, girl, do it up, do what you want to do. But when it comes to a unit like this, I feel like it just looks better. It looks a lot classier. It looks cleaner. It just looks more, it just looks better overall when you don't have the baby hair with a unit like this. Like, look at my, what, baby hair for what? Okay, that thing is laid and flat and not a flyaway or anything in sight. And then as far as the part, so the parting space on this unit is absolutely amazing. This is a 13x6, and I love how deep the parting space is on this lace front unit, you guys. The fit of it is absolutely amazing as well. I really do like the construction of it. I think they did an amazing job with this one. And Sterlyhair is definitely one of those companies that's like an underdog that maybe not too many people know of, but they should, because some of my favorite hair has come from Sterlyhair. But out of all of the units that I received from Sterlyhair, this has to be my personal favorite. I mean, 30 inches of just bomb. just bomb all the way down. Like, this is like that bad bitch hair. Like, I'm gonna say it today. Like, if you don't have this hair, honey, you just not her. Like, this is a hair that when you in the club, like instantly, as soon as I put this unit on, I was like, I want to go out. I want to go out. I need to be seen. I need people to see me. And if the wig makes you have that kind of emotion, it just lets you know everything you need to know, okay? Like, that's how I knew that this was the one, because I'm like, girl, I want to go out, but this is like not like regular go out. I'm talking about go outside. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's time to go outside. It's time to get the bottles. It's time to put on the skimpiest outfit I have, the sexiest outfit I have with this hair. Girl, yes, it's definitely giving. And like, when you, ooh, do y'all see? Like, stop playing with me. Like, it's definitely giving. It's her. I use some cream foundation in my part or whatever, just to like help it a little bit more. I feel like it did. My part might be a little bit crooked, but you can still like, you can still see how like far back it goes, and it goes back like really, really far, which I like, because then you're not like limited with your styling with this unit, because it is such a long, pretty unit. Like, you want to be able to like wear the heck out of it. I know I do. Like, my hairline matched perfectly with this, which I'm surprised by, because typically I end up cutting off like a bunch of extra hair around my ear tabs, but I didn't have to do that today. It was perfect. Like, I just love this unit, and I can't stress it enough. Like, girl. So let's stand up though, so you guys can see where this hair is hitting on me. I'm not sure for the density for this unit, but it has to be like 200-250% density. It's very, very full. And even though it's full, one thing I do want to point out is actually very quick and easy for me to flat iron this unit. It took me like 30 minutes for both sides. Like, that's not bad at all. Normally it takes me like a good hour, 45 minutes. Like, it depends on the hair, how thick it is and all of that, but this one only took me 30 minutes to do all of this. And y'all see how bomb, like silky, no flyaways, no frayed ends, just bomb. Like, you can't tell me nothing in this hair. This is hands down one of the best units, the best straight hair units that I've received thus far. Like, period. Like, this year alone, I don't know another straight hair unit that, oh, actually there is a competitor, but she just ain't long enough. But anyway, let's show you guys how long she really is. Like I said, you guys, this is a 30-inch. This is where it's hitting on me in the front. Super bomb. And let me turn around for y'all. This is where it's hitting me on the side. I did kind of show y'all earlier already, huh? Well, I might as well show y'all again. Boop. But y'all see how long, like, it covers up like my whole butt. So I like that. I know you like that. Huh? I know you like that. Huh? I know you like that. Ah. I don't even need to say nothing else. If you guys want this wig, the link will be listed down below for y'all. We want to give a big shout out to Sterlyhair for sponsoring today's video and sending over this bomb unit, because girl, like, I'm never selling this unit. This is mine to keep, and if you want it, you better click on the link down below, because I'm never selling it, and that's just that on that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment down below, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.